Ever wondered how you can mine crypto tokens while contributing to a P2P VPN network? Well, the answer lies in the innovative $Fry bandwidth miner. This exciting device mines the native crypto token, $Fry, by providing to a unique P2P VPN network. The $Fry bandwidth miner comes equipped with a power supply, all set to kickstart your journey in the crypto world. However, it's important to note that the miner does not come with additional peripherals. Items such as an Ethernet cable, GPS dongle, or external mic will need to be purchased separately. These can be found under the Buy $Fry Miner Parts section of our website. Now, one fascinating feature of the $Fry bandwidth miner is its unique look. 95% of the time, our devices are made from recycled electronics, in line with our commitment towards sustainable technology. So you might receive a device housed in an HP, Lenovo, or similar ITX box. Yet no matter how the device looks, it's the performance that counts. Each $Fry bandwidth miner, whether recycled or brand new, earns the same amount of $Fry. So rest easy knowing that your miner's performance will not be compromised. For our global customers, sometimes we may have to resort to brand new products to ensure we can ship worldwide. This is a small concession we make to ensure our technology is accessible to all, regardless of location. One last thing to keep in mind, especially for those who are new to the world of crypto mining. Some of our devices, as they are recycled, may not be able to process all Windows updates. But fear not, the $Fry software will still run seamlessly. Before you embark on your $Fry mining journey, here are some additional notes to keep in mind. First, we are not affiliated with any brand that we sell. Second, not all of these miners will come with a Windows license. If your miner does not have one, you can actually use your miner to purchase one by using Microsoft Edge. Third, if you choose no operating system, your device may or may not come with an HDD or SSD. You might be responsible for purchasing and installing your own. Now, imagine a world where you can mine crypto tokens while contributing to a P2P VPN network. A world where you can be a part of the crypto revolution while supporting sustainable technology. That world is here, and it starts with the $Fry bandwidth miner. Start mining $Fry today by purchasing your $Fry bandwidth miner. The future of crypto mining is here. Are you ready to be a part of it?